our viewers. Then after that, we're gonna start our Facebook Live for this afternoon.
Hey everybody.
So, welcome to Accentrix Visa Consultancy, everyone. My name is Pauline Patana. I am your host for today. I really miss having a Facebook Live for a while, so thank you for joining our Facebook Live for today, for this day. So we're gonna start for our history. 2008 started in number 32 Market Street in Sydney, Australia, as Australia and New Zealand Immigration Advisory Center. 2009 established an office in HSBC Enterprise Tower with 8 staff and registered in DTI. And 2014, we moved to a 200 square meter to conduct a daily free consultation and weekend seminar. And 2020, we went to hiatus mode due to pandemic. That's why we take a break because grabe yung effect ng pandemic sa atin, mostly dito sa Pinas. So, we went to hiatus mode that time. So, ngayon, we were refreshing our nagre-refresh tayo ngayon ulit. So, 2022, reestablishing the office in Philippines and Australia. So, last year, nag-reestablish kami ulit para ma-open yung mga office dito sa Pilipinas and sa Australia.
Okay, so let's go.
And team introduction. The Australian National University. Our CEO is a graduate of Australian National University, certified in professionals, international education resources, a marketer, completed in the training and education agent training course in ICEPS. Completed and graduated of Australian National University in Migration Law in 2009. He passed all the relevant requirements and became an Australian Registered Migration Agent in 2010. Other certificate, which is CCNP, CCNA, AMCT, MCSE, MCSA, MCP, MC Assure, MC Hybrid, PCP, CCA, and our former Australian Registered Migration Agent, or RMA, no other than Mr. Christopher Binaventura. And also, he is a former licensed immigration advisor in New Zealand. License was granted in March 2011. Again, Mr. Christopher Chris Binaventura. International Consultant for Education in Fair ICEF. ICEF is the Australia's industry recognized agent training course. The EATC covers in 4 key areas. So we have a 4 key areas. So it's Advantage 1, agents are knowledgeable in the AQF and career trends. Advantage 2, legislation and regulations. Advantage 3, working effectively in international education with. Advantage 4, professional standards and ethics. Our qualified education agent counselor license number G195. She has successfully completed the education agent training course QEAC certification exam in September 19, 2011. Listed in Peer Network and agent number 0001644, issued an agent International Education Services in Australia with ABN number 980108440005. No other than our education agent counselor, Miss Lurin Shai Uy.
What? She's the boss? No.
And she has completed the education agent training course from ICEF Academy, candidate for qualified education agent counselor, knowledgeable and familiar with AQF. No other than, that's me guys. My name is Polino Tana. He has completed the education agent training course also, candidate for qualified education agent counselor, knowledgeable and familiar with AQF, Mr. Ryan Velasquez. 9 reasons on why you should choose Accentric. So we have a 9 reason. Actually, we have a lot of reasons why you should choose us, but we're just gonna give you the 9 reasons on why you should choose Accentrics. Number 1, your application will be processed by a former Australian migration agent, former licensed immigration advisor, Australian qualified education counselors, and 3 ISEP agents. Number 2, we have partnered with more than 200 universities, colleges in Australia, Canada, and US. Number 3, we don't only offer student visa. We can also advise you your pathway to residency since owner is an Australian citizen and former RMA. Number 4, we can help you continue your stay longer than 2 years after your student visa. Number 5, we have more than 400 approved visa in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and USA. Number 6, all courses we offer are recognized nationally under the Australian Qualification Framework or AQF. Number 7, okay guys, this is just the first 20 student visa, but we already reached that, the first 20 students, so we are now going back to normal. And number 8, we have extensive experience with visa refusal and can turn into positive outcome. Number 9, not dead in application. We can apply you for further stay after grad visa. We can apply you for skill assessment like MBA, VETACs, ANMC. And we are not, it's a friendly reminder to all our viewers, we are not an employment agency. We do not process work permit. We do not offer any jobs. We do not send applicants to work in Canada or Australia. We simply process student visa application for you to study in Canada and Australia. So everyone, that's just a friendly reminder to all of you that we are not agency and we don't give work permit. We don't offer any jobs. We just send student applicant to study in Canada or Australia. So thank you for listening to our introduction. So right now we will proceed to our main topic for today is Australia. So alam ko maraming Pilipino, ang kababayan natin ang gustong pumunta na ng Australia. So ito po ang ating point of your slides para sa Australia. Sisimulan na po natin yung ating pag-intro kung ano ba ang Australia or ano ba yung mga nag-aantay na opportunity sa atin sa Australia. Why Australia? All the best aspect of Australia. So, we have 4 factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. So, number 1, listed in best country to live, better job prospect, healthier food, and of course, alam naman natin tayong mga Pilipino nag-aim ng mataas na sahod. It's normal to us. So, Australia is listed one of the highest salary. So, one of the best country in the world. So, we have 4 best feature of Australia. So, number 3, country with the highest average salary. So, ikapangatlo po siya na nung una sa pinakamataas na average salary sa buong mundo. Imagine, buong mundo, not just in Philippines or in every country, but in the whole world. So, number 7, best country in the world. Number 9, best to raise a family. Number 27, safest country in the world. So, ayan yung mga apat pa lang yun how much more yung mga iba na fini-future din ng Australia. So, job prospects. So, what are the current jobs in Australia? So, where to look for a job? The highest paying jobs in Australia as of 2022 and 2023. Ayan siya guys. So, pag clinic natin siya, lalabas dito yung, yan, lalabas yan dyan yung mga highest paying job sa Australia this 2023 and 2024. So, ayan, pag-click natin yung link na nakita natin kanina, yan yung lalabas. And B, I'm so lazy to apply.